Shanghai tube. Vivian's feeling a little bit sick. Hopefully she'll be alright. It's quite exciting to be here. It's our last Chinese destination. So after this it's Malaysia. But for now it's hopefully 10 days in Shanghai. Security means we have to saddle down in a minute. Saddle up means put your bags on, saddle down means take them off. Just waiting for Dad to get some tickets. I think we're all very tired and it's a bit of a struggle, and we're looking forward to getting to the apartment hopefully soon. I think we've got another hour. That'll be a 30-hour journey, guys. So we're all a little bit sweaty and smelly right now after a 29-hour journey. Not brushing our teeth or washing or anything. I think people are avoiding us because we smell. So the tube station's literally there, and our flat is here.
I am here, hello!
So we're at the lift, level 5. Now we're here. It's like a little communal area. People smoking again. Oh, so much bloody cigarette smoke, it's annoying. Don't know if Paul's just going to the pub, we're not sure.
Apparently there's really a house behind it.
Not sure what he's doing. Are you just going to watch the football, Paul?
Where we get our keys.
It's one of the things about this adventure is that
This place is
it's always been different. Every single place is different. A different method for picking up keys, a different way for getting in, a different type of flat, a different unique element of the flat, and it's quite cool. So I think that we're on a rooftop here, guys, of some sort. There's a football pitch there that we can go to. If we want to eat in a bird cage, we can. So I think we're going up there. I think the flat is behind here. We could.
Mum, do they storms here?
No, darling. I do love the fact that every place we stay at is just so different. And this is on a rooftop bar. It's literally a flat behind a rooftop bar. Quite amusing. Here we are. Look at this. This is us. So this flat is a little bit online. It's a little bit different in how it's projected and sold. So basically, there's one electric hob. There's a microwave that doesn't work. There's a coffee thing, but no mugs. There's no fridge, which is a bit annoying because obviously we need to have a fridge. So basically the view outside of our window is actually the pub. That is the pub. This is our window.
It's kind of
in the flat. There's the flat.
The window doesn't open.
And there's the pub. So we're gonna have a lively old Christmas, I think. We're not gonna be able to cook Christmas dinner, which is a bit of a bum because we were hoping we would be able to do something.
Let's do it. We need to make this up.
So we're gonna have to be very, very creative with this and how it all works, I think, aren't we?
It's not a normal Christmas.
No, it's not a normal Christmas. It's a traveller's Christmas. So this is a bit of a nuts supermarket. It just goes on for miles and miles and miles. Oh, let's go down here and see what we can find that isn't wrapped in plastic. Oh, Toblerone isn't wrapped in plastic.
Look out with your trolley, Jess. Look out with your trolley.
But they don't have. They've only got the dark chocolate. Honestly.
Oh, please, we get a dark chocolate, an extra noir.
No, the Condor chocolate is like,
Mum,
you don't sleep for days. It's that good. Oh God. We're a little bit down at the moment because we got this flat thinking it was really nice. Got it online. thinking it was really nice, and it would be our Christmas New Year flat in Shanghai. Quite excited about it, but actually it turns out that it's rubbish. It's basically a little box on the back of a pub. So we're really disappointed and don't know what to do about it. We're thinking it might be the first place that we've had in our whole adventure that we might actually turn around and say no, this isn't actually what we want, and change it for something else. I don't know, maybe we're just tired. We need to just... The problem is there's no fridge there, there's nothing to cook with. We were going to sort of try and cook some sort of Christmassy type dinner on Christmas Day or something, but I think that was wishful thinking. So not a great end to quite a cool day. We had a really good day in the train and stuff like that. But we've arrived at this flat, which is nothing that we thought it was going to be. It's basically a space that's been bolted onto the back of a bar. We've all got the snots because of the cigarette smoke and the lack of air on the train. So it looks like we're going to have a bit of a miserable Christmas. That noise you can hear is the compere of the bar. They've just finished watching the football, which we may as well have been down there with them because it's just like massively loud noise. So hopefully we'll be moving on tomorrow. We booked it for 10 nights, but we're not staying here another night. Can't even hear yourself think. So we're moving on tomorrow. So it's not for us. Anyway, see you tomorrow. We're frantically trying to find another flat to stay in, so we are moving on, having to move on Christmas Eve, which we really didn't want to do.
Thanks for watching. I hope you liked our video. Don't forget to tell us what you thought. Subscribe to the TaawkTV